Hey, this is Brian with Rayne-Storm Roofing and Remodeling. We're here at this historic barn remodel in Lee Summit, Missouri, where we've already finished all the structural work. We had to completely remove this whole roofing system and install new trusses. We had to rebuild this east wall. We've already replaced the framing. We installed all new windows, a new Grand Manor roof, all new siding on the outside, all new electrical, and let's go inside and see how the guys are doing. Okay guys, we're in the interior of this old barn now. The guys are finishing the final touch-ups to finish our part of the interior. We replaced all of the sheetrock, replaced all of the siding paneling on the bottom, stained and painted, all new insulation. All of the lights are new LED lights and all hooked up to the internet along with the ceiling fans. We've installed this new monster garage door. We've got new low E double hung windows in the entire project. You can fold them out, clean them, put them back.
Nice.